I live in a small but cozy house with my family, and every day with them feels special in its own way. My family is my greatest source of happiness and comfort. Each member has a unique role in my life, and together, we create memories that I will cherish forever. My father is a teacher, and he loves reading books. In fact, he has a small library at home filled with novels, history books, and biographies. He often says, "Books are windows to the world," and I believe him. During dinner, he shares interesting stories or facts he read that day. Sometimes, he tells us about his students and how he helps them learn. I admire his patience and dedication to his work. He inspires me to always stay curious and strive to learn something new every day. My mother is the heart of our family. She is kind, hardworking, and always seems to have everything under control. She runs a small bakery from home, and the smell of fresh bread and cookies fills our house every morning. Her pastries are loved by everyone in our neighborhood, and she always finds time to bake something special for us, even on her busiest days. My mother also has a great sense of humor. She can make us laugh even during stressful times, and her positivity is contagious. Whenever I feel down, a chat with her is all it takes to lift my spirits. Then there is my younger brother, Alex. He is 10 years old and full of energy. He loves playing soccer and dreams of becoming a professional player one day. After school, he grabs his soccer ball and rushes to the backyard to practice. I often join him, even though I'm not very good at soccer. It makes him happy, and I enjoy spending time with him. Alex is also a little mischief maker. He has a talent for making silly jokes and funny faces that always make me laugh. No matter how tired I am, his laughter brightens my mood. My grandmother lives with us, too. She is the sweetest person I know and the wisest. She grew up in a small village and often shares stories about her childhood. Her stories are full of adventures, lessons, and a glimpse of life in the past. I can listen to her for hours, imagining the world as she describes it. She also teaches us old songs and poems, which are a joy to learn. Despite her age, she's very active and loves gardening. Our backyard is filled with beautiful flowers and vegetables, thanks to her care and hard work. One of my favorite things about my family is how we spend weekends together. We believe weekends are for family time, and we always find fun activities to do. Sometimes, we go to the park for a picnic. My father and Alex play soccer while my mother and I relax under the trees, chatting or reading books. Other times, we stay home and play board games. Monopoly is our favorite, and the competition gets intense, but it's all in good fun. Watching movies together is another weekend tradition. We make popcorn, sit on the couch, and enjoy family-friendly films. My grandmother loves old black and white movies, and we often watch them with her. Cooking together is another activity that brings us closer. My mother loves teaching us new recipes, and we all take part in the process. My father is in charge of chopping vegetables, Alex mixes ingredients, and I help with baking. My grandmother oversees everything, making sure we don't forget any important steps. It's messy and chaotic, but we always have a great time. The best part is enjoying the delicious food we make together. One memory that stands out is the time we decided to bake a cake for my grandmother's birthday. None of us had much experience baking a cake from scratch, but we wanted it to be special. My mother guided us, but Alex and I were in charge of most of the work. We accidentally added too much sugar and forgot to preheat the oven. Despite the mistakes, the cake turned out surprisingly good. My grandmother was so happy, and we all laughed about our disaster cake. Another thing I love about my family is how supportive we are of each other. Whenever someone has a problem, we come together to find a solution. My father gives practical advice, my mother offers emotional support, and my grandmother shares her wisdom. Alex, in his own way, tries to cheer everyone up with his jokes and funny antics. Knowing that I have such a strong support system makes me feel confident to face any challenges in life. Education is important in our family, and my parents always encourage Alex and me to do our best in school. They never pressure us, but they remind us of the value of knowledge and hard work. My father often helps me with my homework, especially when it comes to history or literature. My mother teaches us life skills, like cooking, budgeting, and how to stay organized. Even my grandmother contributes by teaching us traditional crafts and telling us moral stories. Our family also celebrates festivals and holidays with great enthusiasm. Whether it's decorating the house for Christmas, making lanterns for the Mid-Autumn Festival, or preparing a feast for Lunar New Year, we do everything together. These celebrations are filled with laughter, delicious food, and moments of gratitude. They remind us of the importance of family and traditions. Even though we have our share of disagreements and arguments, we always resolve them quickly. My parents have taught us the importance of communication and understanding. They say that no matter what happens, family comes first. This mindset has created a strong bond between us, and I know I can always count on them. At the end of each day, we gather in the living room to share stories about what happened during the day. It's a simple yet meaningful routine that keeps us connected. Sometimes, Alex talks about his soccer practice, my father shares a funny incident from school, my mother tells us about her bakery customers, and my grandmother recalls a memory from her youth. I also get to share my thoughts, dreams, and even worries, knowing they will listen and support me. In many ways, my family is my greatest treasure. They teach me values like kindness, patience, and resilience. They fill my life with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. I feel incredibly lucky to have them by my side, and I hope to carry these values and memories with me wherever life takes me. My family is not just my home, they are my heart.